Hello and welcome everyone to the project implementation of gesture recognition using 2D webcam. Now firstly, when you run the code, you'll get a dialog box which states open or close an application. Here you've selected open an application, and then another dialog box which states static or dynamic. Here it shows static. Then it shows two images. One image is the first image that is taken, and then the second image is subtracted from the first image. And here we are shown that there are three fingers which constitutes three peaks respectively. And since there are three peaks, what has been assigned if three peaks are registered in the image? Calculator has been assigned. So the calculator application has been opened. Again, we run the code and we choose to close an application using again static in the dialog box. Again, there's a pre-taken image and then there's another image taken, and both images are subtracted to get the peaks as 3. And so we can see as the cursor is pointing, that is the calculator application has been terminated. And it has been successfully done so. Now again we run the code of opening an application, but this time we are using dynamic gesture recognition. As we can see, it selects dynamic in the dialog box. Moving on, here is Mr. Virat showing us a live presentation. It is drawn an L. So now this L will be compared to the main database, the pre-stored database. It will be compared to the L in that database and see if it matches. Let's see if it does. That is the procured image done in real time. Because it states the number of iterations it's taking. And finally, we have achieved it. It is 28 iterations. And yes, it has been successfully matched, and as you can see, the Limbo application, that is the game, has been opened. Well, that is a success. Here we can see the original image on the left, and then the image which is pre-stored in the database, which is compared with, and based on the comparison, the corresponding application was opened. As you can see, it's still highlighted on the cursor. Opening is when the Limbo game has been opened. Now we're going to try closing the application using the same dynamic gesture recognition. So we run the code again, but we select closing an application in the dialog box, and then we select dynamic gesture recognition. And so here we have again Mr. Virat drawing in real time the alphabet L. Oh, it is near to perfection, I must say. Now let's see if it compares and matches with the L which is pre-stored in the database. Oh, it does take some time to process. Don't mind. Finally, in 4 iterations it has converged. And we have the result. It has been matched, and as you can see, shown by the cursor that the Limbo application has been closed. And hence that is the conclusion. Thank you for joining us today. We wish you all the very best.